Hello, and welcome to the channel. Wisdom from the ages, where we go through various bodies of knowledge that are crucial for better living and higher enlightenment, ancient secret knowledge to be precise. First, we need to understand what is Stoicism. Stoicism is a school of philosophy that originated in ancient Greece, founded by Zeno of Citium in the early 3rd century BCE. It teaches that the path to virtue is the key to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Stoicism is characterized by its emphasis on personal ethics, practical wisdom, and resilience in the face of life's challenges. The Stoics believed in living by nature and accepting the things they couldn't change while focusing on what they could control, namely their thoughts and actions. For beginners looking to adopt Stoicism, here are some key principles and guidelines. 1. Understanding what you can control. Focus on things within your control, such as your thoughts, actions, and reactions. Accept that external events and other people's actions are often beyond your control. Practice mindfulness. 2. Be aware of your thoughts and emotions. Reflect on your reactions to events and consider whether they align with Stoic principles. Developing resilience. 3. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. View adversity as a chance to exercise virtue, such as courage, patience, and temperance. Practicing negative visualization. 4. Contemplate potential challenges and losses to develop resilience. Imagine worst-case scenarios and consider how you would cope with them. Maintaining equanimity. 5. Cultivate a sense of inner calm and tranquility. Don't let external events dictate your emotional state. Living by nature. 6. Align your actions with reason and the principles of virtue. Strive for harmony with the natural order of the universe, practicing gratitude. 7. Focus on what you have rather than what you lack. Appreciate the present moment and the things that contribute to your well-being. Being virtuous was a spiritual teacher and author virtues like wisdom in the mid-20th century, justice, and temperance. His teachings, rooted in mystical interpretations of Christianity and metaphysical self-discipline, have had a significant influence on the resist temptations and development of modern spirituality. Cultivate the habit of making reasoned and rational decisions. Directly, here are a few Stoic literature and core ideas regarding spirituality you in your Stoic works. Read classic Stoic texts, such as the writings of Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. Engage in daily practices like journaling to reflect on your actions and thoughts. Remember, adopting Stoicism is a gradual process, and it's okay to take small steps. Consistent practice and reflection are key to internalizing Stoic principles and applying them to your daily life. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and share the content to enlighten more souls like you are already.